where's Outdoorsy Diva headed next? I'm actually on my way to Kentucky, to the Kentucky Speedway for the Quaker 400 Nascar race. Not just going to the race, but I'm staying in a really dope M&M Glampground. So we'll be in luxury glamping tents right in the middle of the infield of the racetrack. So how cool is that? So stick around. Hey y'all, I'm coming to you from the Glampground at the infield at the Kentucky Speedway. So I need to give you a tour of our awesome glamping tent. I didn't get it, so prepare to be amazed. So some of you were concerned about my safety, and I greatly appreciate that because I'm staying in the infield and you wanted to know what happens if there's a crash, because we've all seen races and it happens, there's crashes. But this wall back here flexes, so it takes a lot of the impact. It's steel and then it has foam on the inside. There's also there's the high walls on the outside and the inside to keep debris from flying. Plus there's like a gamillion RVs surrounding our glamping area, so if anything did get through, it hit them first, so we'll be fine. It's perfect.